Burdock root comes from burdock, a genus of weeds that are related to sunflowers and part of the daisy family. In some parts of the world, people consume it as a root vegetable, much like potatoes. The burdock plant's deep roots are very long and vary in color from beige to brown and nearly black on the outside. Burdock root has been used for centuries in holistic medicine to treat a variety of different conditions. Traditionally, it's been most commonly used as a diuretic and a digestive aid. Now, researchers have discovered numerous potential uses and health benefits for burdock root. Here are health benefits of burdock root. 1. It removes toxins from the blood. One of the most common uses for burdock root has been to purify the blood. Recent evidence has found that burdock root contains active ingredients in its root system that can remove toxins from the bloodstream. 2. Prevention cancer. Burdock root, as it turns out, may not only purify the blood, but it may also inhibit certain types of cancer. Research has also found that burdock had potent inhibitory effects on cancer growth caused by cancers like pancreatic carcinoma. 3. It can help treat skin issues. Burdock root has also long been used to treat skin conditions like acne and eczema. The root's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties can help resolve skin issues when applied topically to the skin. 4. Reducing inflammation. A 2014 study found that burdock root significantly decreased measures of inflammation in people with knee osteoarthritis. 5. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants. Burdock root has been shown to contain multiple types of powerful antioxidants, including quercetin, luteolin, and phenolic acids. Antioxidants protect cells in the body from damage due to free radicals. They can help treat and prevent a number of different health conditions. Potential risks and side effects of burdock root. Burdock is considered to be safe to eat, but you should only buy it from reputable sellers and should never collect it in the wild. The burdock plant resembles belladonna nightshade plants, which are highly toxic. They often grow together. If you're allergic to chrysanthemums or daisies, you may be at an increased risk of having an allergic reaction to burdock root and should avoid it. Burdock root is a natural diuretic, so you shouldn't take it if you're dehydrated. You also shouldn't take it if you're also taking other diuretics or water pills, as it can increase dehydration. Pregnant women or women trying to become pregnant shouldn't take burdock root or supplements.